Hello and welcome to Daily English Glow. Want to speak English with confidence? In today's video, you'll learn 10 slow and simple daily life English conversations. Each conversation is easy to follow, making it perfect for beginners to listen, understand, and practice. If you enjoy this lesson, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Daily English Glow for more easy English videos every week. Now, sit back, watch the full video, and let's start learning English together.
Buying fresh bread at a bakery.
Good morning. Welcome to our bakery.
Good morning. Everything smells wonderful.
Fresh bread came out today.
I'd like to buy some.
What kind do you enjoy?
I'm not sure yet.
We have white and wheat.
Which bread is more popular?
Our wheat bread sells quickly.
I'll try one loaf.
Would you like sliced bread?
Yes, that would help.
We also bake sourdough daily.
It looks very fresh.
Many customers enjoy its flavor.
Maybe next time I'll try it.
Would you like any pastries?
Yes. What do you recommend?
Our blueberry muffins are delicious.
They look really good.
We also have cinnamon rolls.
I'll take one cinnamon roll.
Anything else for today?
Maybe 2 chocolate cookies.
Great choice.
My family will enjoy them.
I'll pack everything carefully.
Thank you very much.
Your total is $18.
I'll pay with my card.
Please insert your card here.
Okay, it's processing now.
Your payment is approved.
That's quick and easy.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your fresh bread.
I will. Have a great day.
We hope to see you again.
I'll definitely come back.
Shopping for winter clothes.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our clothing store.
Hello, I'm shopping for winter clothes.
I'd be happy to help.
I need a warm jacket.
What size do you wear?
Medium, I think.
Here are several warm jackets.
I like the blue one.
It's very warm and light.
That sounds perfect.
Would you like to try it?
Yes. Where is the fitting room?
It's right over there.
I'll be back soon.
Take your time.
The jacket fits very well.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I like it.
Do you need gloves too?
Yes. My hands get cold.
Try these wool gloves.
They feel very comfortable.
We also have warm scarves.
I'd like to try one.
This gray scarf matches nicely.
I like this color.
The jacket is $80.
That's a little expensive.
It's on sale today.
That's good news.
The gloves are $15.
The prices seem reasonable.
Shall I ring these up?
Yes, I'll buy everything.
Your total is $98.
I'll pay with my card.
Your payment is complete.
Thank you for your help.
Stay warm this winter.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Taking a cooking class.
Good morning. Welcome to our cooking class.
Good morning. I'm excited to learn.
I'm your instructor today.
Nice to meet you.
Is this your first class?
Yes, it certainly is.
Today we'll cook chicken soup.
That sounds simple.
Here are today's ingredients.
Everything looks fresh.
First, wash the vegetables.
I'll do that carefully.
Next, cut the carrots.
Should I cut them small?
Yes, small pieces cook faster.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Now add the onions.
Should I stir now?
Yes, stir everything gently.
It smells really good.
Add the chicken carefully.
How long does it cook?
About 30 minutes.
That's not too long.
Now add some salt.
Is 1 spoon enough?
Yes, that's a good amount.
I'm enjoying this class.
Your soup is ready.
It looks delicious.
Please taste your meal.
It's warm and flavorful.
You did a great job.
Thank you for your help.
I hope you'll return.
I definitely will.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank you. See you next week.
At the post office.
Good morning. Welcome to the post office.
Good morning. I need some help.
What would you like today?
I'd like to mail a package
Where is it going?
to my sister in California.
Please place it here.
Okay, here it is.
It's not very heavy.
That's good to hear.
Please fill out this form.
I'll complete it now.
Write the shipping address clearly.
I'll check it carefully.
Would you like insurance?
No, thank you.
Do you need stamps?
Yes, I'd like 4.
Here are your stamps.
Thank you very much.
Your package is ready.
When will it arrive?
It should arrive next week.
That's perfect.
Here's your tracking receipt.
How can I track it?
Use the tracking number online.
That sounds easy.
Keep your receipt safe.
I'll put it in my wallet.
Your total is $16.
I'll pay with my card.
Your payment is complete.
Thank you for your help.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Renting a bicycle.
Good morning. Welcome to our bike shop.
Good morning. I'd like to rent a bicycle.
I'd be happy to help.
I need one for today.
What size do you need?
I'm not sure, honestly.
Let's find the right size.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Please stand beside this bicycle.
Is this size okay?
Yes, it fits you well.
It feels comfortable.
How long will you rent it?
Only for 1 day.
The daily rental is $20.
That's a fair price.
A helmet is included. Please wear it at all times.
I always wear one.
Stay in the bike lanes.
I'll follow those rules.
Check the brakes before riding.
I'll do that first.
Lock the bicycle when parked.
I understand. Thank you.
Return it before 6 o'clock.
I'll be back on time.
Please return it here.
That will be easy.
Your rental is ready.
I'll pay with my card.
Your payment is complete.
Thank you for everything.
Enjoy your bike ride.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you. See you later. Having a picnic in the park.
Good morning. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, perfect for a picnic.
Did you bring the food?
Yes, everything is packed.
What did you prepare?
Sandwiches, fruit, and lemonade.
That sounds delicious.
I also brought cookies.
Great. Let's find a spot.
How about under that tree?
It has plenty of shade.
I like that place.
I'll spread the blanket.
I'll unpack the basket.
Everything looks very fresh.
I made everything this morning.
Let's enjoy our lunch.
Please try the lemonade first.
It's cold and refreshing.
I'm glad you like it.
Would you like a game?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Let's throw this frisbee.
I'll try my best.
Nice catch.
That was easier than expected.
Let's take a short walk.
The flowers look beautiful.
It's such a peaceful park.
I really enjoy being here.
We should clean everything now.
Yes, let's leave it tidy.
I'll collect the empty bottles.
I'll fold the blanket.
Thank you for your help.
It was a wonderful day.
Let's have another picnic soon.
I'd really like that.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you. See you soon.
Shopping at a farmer's market.
Good morning. Welcome to our market.
Good morning. Everything looks fresh.
We picked everything this morning.
I'd like fresh vegetables.
What would you like today?
Tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce.
These tomatoes are very sweet.
They look bright and fresh.
Our carrots are locally grown.
I'd like one bag.
We also have fresh spinach.
I'll take some, please.
Are you looking for fruit?
Yes, maybe some apples.
These apples came from nearby farms.
I'd like 4 apples.
We also sell local honey.
Is it made nearby?
Yes, a local family makes it.
I'd like 1 jar.
It's very popular here.
I can't wait to try it.
Would you like fresh bread?
Maybe. How much is it?
It's $5 a loaf.
That's a fair price.
Our vegetables are $3 each.
The prices seem reasonable.
Shall I pack everything?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $24.
I'll pay with my card.
Your payment is complete.
Thank you for your help.
Do you need a shopping bag?
Yes, these groceries are heavy.
Have a safe walk home.
Thank you. See you next weekend. Starting a new hobby.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hobby store.
Hello, I'm starting a new hobby.
That's exciting to hear.
I don't know where to begin.
What hobby interests you?
I'd like to start painting.
We have beginner supplies.
That's exactly what I need.
Here are some paint sets.
Which one do you recommend?
This set is perfect.
It looks easy to use.
You'll also need brushes.
How many should I buy?
3 brushes are enough.
I'll take those.
You'll need a sketchbook too.
Yes, I'd like one.
This one has thick paper.
It feels very nice.
Do you need any colors?
Which colors should I choose?
Start with basic colors.
That sounds simple.
Practice a little every day.
I'll make time for that.
We meet here Saturdays.
Do people paint together?
Yes, everyone practices together.
I'd love to join.
You'll learn new ideas.
That will help me.
Your total is $27.
I'll pay with my card.
Your payment is complete.
Thank you for your advice.
Enjoy your new hobby.
Thank you. See you Saturday. Using a self-checkout machine.
Good afternoon. Need any help?
Yes, it's my first time.
This machine is easy.
I hope so. Thanks.
Please scan your first item.
Like this, right?
Yes, that's exactly right.
It made a sound.
Now place it here.
Okay, it's in the bag.
Scan your other groceries.
I'll do them slowly.
You're doing very well.
That's good to hear.
Please scan the milk.
It isn't working. Now.
Let me check it.
Thank you. I wasn't sure.
The barcode was folded.
Oh, I understand now.
Try scanning it again.
It worked this time.
Great, you're almost finished.
What's the next step?
Choose your payment method.
I'll pay with my card.
Please tap your card.
The payment is complete.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Would you like another bag?
Yes, these bags are full.
I'll give you one.
That's very helpful.
Everything is packed now.
Thank you for your patience.
Have a wonderful day.
preparing for a weekend trip.
Good evening. Ready for your trip?
Almost. I still have packing.
Let's make a packing list.
That's a smart idea.
Start with your clothes.
I'll pack 2 jackets.
Don't forget comfortable shoes.
They're already in my bag.
Do you need a hat?
Yes, I'll bring one.
Pack your phone charger.
Thanks, I almost forgot.
Bring your water bottle too.
I'll put it inside.
Have you checked the weather?
Not yet. I'll check now.
It might rain tomorrow.
Then I'll pack an umbrella.
That's a good plan.
I like being prepared.
Do you have travel snacks?
Not yet. I need some.
Buy fruit and granola bars.
Those are easy to carry.
Don't forget bottled water.
I'll buy 2 bottles.
What time are you leaving?
Around 8 tomorrow morning.
Leave a little earlier.
Yes, traffic can be busy.
Keep your tickets nearby.
I'll keep them ready.
Your bag looks complete.
I think everything is packed.
Have a safe weekend trip.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your vacation.
Thanks. I'll see you Monday.